Hello and welcome back. It's the penultimate day of zone cleaning. So it's zone number 4, which for me is my little dining area, my living space and my sort of watching TV room. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre and this is all about designing your life so that you've got more time for the things that you love to do, whatever they are. It's about automating the boring stuff and just making a bit of space so that you can head down to the beach, which is what I will do later, and have a walk, or you can sit around and watch your favorite show, or you can play Sudoku, or you can do Play-Doh with your kids. It doesn't matter, whatever it is that for you is fun and play. I think we should have a lot more of it. Today I'm going to be just zooming around this area, trying to do it as quickly as possible because, as I said, it's a beach day and it's Australia Day here. And before I do one more thing, I just want to say thank you to all my fabulous new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you all of my wonderful tribe who have shared and tackled people in the street, as I talked about last week. Whatever you did, it's been amazing. What an amazing week for me. So thank you. Now, the reason I am so delighted about the response from subs is that we will soon be back up into that mainstream of the Google and YouTube search engine, because I want us to be found, because I think that a group the way we are becoming, a little community, with a movement for designing our lives and adding the things that we love, I think the world needs more of that. Choosing to do the things that we want to and not be restricted by other people's opinions. I'm about freeing us up from all sorts of things, our belongings, our beliefs in some ways, that we're too something, we're not strong enough, we're not the right gender to do something, we're not the right age to do something. Let's just do it anyway if we want to, and if we're able, and we're not going to hurt another person or get ourselves lost in the bush and need people to come rescue us. I mean, let's be sensible about this. I mean, I am a sensible, practical Kiwi woman, and if there are things that you wouldn't have thought were sensible once upon a time, that's good too, as long as you don't get hurt badly. Broken arms, things like that, they heal, it's all good. I'm here to say, let's just do it. But you've still got to do the dross, you've still got to do the clean your house, do it sensibly, you've still got to feed yourself well, you've still got to, do the shopping, you've still got to go out and earn a living, all of those basic things we still have to do. And hey, I'm happy with that. Work is good. The thing that fills us up is doing productive work. Sandra Day O'Connor said that the secret to a happy life is productive work you love, I think, something like that. And I think that's pretty true. That's my little chat for this morning. Let's do it. First up, I'm going to have a candle. And this is that amazing teak wood one that I love so much. There's the day out there. It's not a bad day. It's going to get better later. And I'm just going to show you around the area. You've seen through here before. I really do need to declutter in that buffet a little bit. But basically it's just cleaning all these windows, all through down here and around the corner. It's fabulous, I love it, but I do have to keep them clean and they need the outsides cleaning. I need to do the floors, I need to tidy up, I need to wash this because I've been working here a lot. I do want to wax this sofa, these need washing, bit of a tidy up, bit of a run over this with the lint roller that I did take a lot of when the little pussycat left. I need to clean the pictures, I've watered the plants, but it's mainly dusting, vacuuming. In here I need to wash a few things, tidy it up. I really do need to declutter that brown buffet because it's got to take all the DVDs and CDs. I know who uses them, but I'm not ready to throw the rest of them out yet. I decluttered a lot along the way. And I've had this out because I've been knitting. So that's the space and it's pretty easy and I'm just going to get on and do it. Right now I'm going to go and get into this little grey buffet. Look, there's not a lot that has to come out, but I know there are a couple of things that can, and I just want to tidy it up, make it easy for me to use the things that are in there. So that's that done. I left all my Sophie Conran dishes in their boxes because it looks after them, and I still just have to reach in to grab them, but I just made sure they were super accessible. I can get rid of these. These are a round sort of plasticky placemat that I can offer to somebody else, but if they don't, they'll just go to the donation centre. And I have these super large placemats that were fabulous with the big table, but I don't have a big table anymore, so I don't need these. Right, what's next? Clean the table, do the basic cleaning, and then yeah, I might actually just get in and down and under and do baseboards before I vacuum and sort of hand dust some of this area underneath things. Ugh, yucky job, that one. Before I do anything else, I'm going to get in and try to clean these little bits on the chairs because they drive me crazy. I suppose it's just built up polish over the years. I'll just get it out and give them a good clean. Just wiping everything down. Because, you know, you get finger marks and the like on it. So that one's getting a bit loose. I might get the mallet and give that a little whack. Okay, mallet to the ready. I'll put a cloth over it. It's a soft rubber mallet anyway, but how's the other side? Okay, other side needs it as well, of course. And glamorous it is not, but it is the only way to clean the baseboards. I won't spray too near to the plug, that's for sure. Okay, I'm just going to go along under all of these. Might as well get that while I'm at it. I have to clean the windows on the glass on it anyway. You see all along the side, it just catches all the dirt. While the table is out, I'll do the windows and take the screen off and clean that as well, since I've got everything pulled out. It just turns into a shambles, but that's the way it works in a smaller apartment, and it's I only do it once a month like this. The rest of the time it's just easy cleaning. And taking that out to clean, it really does get a bit yuck behind it. It's always difficult, a wee bit difficult to get off. Ugh. Okay, I'll show you what's behind it. Nothing nasty, just dusty. In this corner is just dirt. This is 4 weeks without me cleaning it. And look, there's even a spider's moved in 4 weeks. This part of the living dining area is done. Floor's done, nice and shiny. I'd probably choose not to have it shiny if I had an option, but having given that it has quite a high shine finish, I keep it that way. Chairs are dusted, windows are clean, screen is clean, no cobwebs or spiders. This has been slightly decluttered, wiped down, glass cleaned, all the domes cleaned, the lamps have been cleaned, and over here you can see this has been all wiped and dusted and wiped with wood care. And look at that marble, it's got a real sheen on it. And the table's been cleaned. So, there we are, I'm happy with that. So, I took a little break, about 20 hours, maybe not that long. Anyway, went out because it was Australia Day, and now it's Saturday and I'm back to finish up Zone 4, do the living room, finish the windows, vacuum, dust, do all that stuff and call it a zone completed. Now, the first step for getting in here and getting it clean is my little fluffy brush thing on a little rod, because there might be spiders underneath that unit. It's not as dirty as the other side because this window isn't often open. Oh yes, there was a spider. There was actually a spider. Oh my god. Okay, I thought I was joking. It was a very small spider. Okay, I'm down here and armed. And no, I'm not using vinegar. I have to make up a whole new batch. And the floor is dirty. Not too bad. I do it. I just don't like getting down here. windows are done, all the sills, all the icky bits, which is the hardest bit by far of this room. I've still got windows to do in the TV room. That's next. Now I'm going to fluff up the sofa cushions, which for the leather ones which are down, it means dropping them loudly. And I'll just lint roller the other one because it gets, you know, fluff and hair stuck on it, and the lint roller just takes it all off. Then I'll restuff the cushions with their freshly washed covers and vacuum, finish the dusting, and I'll be done. So this is the highly sophisticated way of fluffing up the back cushions and the seats. Take seat cushion, give it a bit of a punch and drop it on the floor, and then drop it on the floor again, and if it still needs a bit of love, drop it on the floor another couple of times. That's that one done. Now I'm looking seriously hot and scruffy, but I have finished the windows and I was doing the sofa when the battery ran out, so that's you missed that, but I have cleaned the leather, vacuumed under it and then conditioned the leather. I've also cleaned the blue sofa and vacuumed it and just run over it with the lint roller. Cleaned the leather chair in the TV room as well, and done the windows in there because I had the ladder in there and I just did it. Okay, so what am I up to? I'm up to dusting in the living room, and then I'm vacuuming and just doing the little bit of the floor that you can see that's not under the rug, and that's me done in here. This is pretty good. Okay, that's the living and dining rooms done. Really done. This is deep cleaning. This isn't really just zone cleaning because I wanted a fresh start for the new year. I've remade the bed with a different cover on it because I think it looks better than blue. Now I've just got to dust and vacuum and then dust this, and then I'll have to go through the drawers to find space for those DVDs and CDs, and that's the last thing I'm going to do. I have no idea what is in all of these. Oh, okay. This is called an assortment. Well, there are some DVDs. I love this, and now Meryl Streep is going to be joining the cast. It just gets better and better. Okay, favourite DVDs are some already in there. Okay, that's fine. Then what? Splitters for the table. Some Christmas things. Some little eggs that I sometimes put up at Easter. Okay, these need to go into decorations and other. A power cable. Oh no, it's Chromecast. It's the old Chromecast. I might give that back to my son, see if he wants it. Some fabric from when I quickly covered the little ottoman in this room to make it disappear. Piece of plastic and a couple of power adapters. They need to go into the office. Well, that's one drawer freed up already, so I don't think I can stack them. They're just tiny bit too. What about in these ones? I can stack them in these ones. Okay, going down here. See, these ones are full of cables. It was empty. Cables, really? Okay, I need to do something with all of those. I think they've been used, they're all part of the sound system. Okay, so DVDs can start their life stacking in here. And look at that. It's the whole drawer is completely full, and that's it. They're all of the DVDs that I had saved anyway. And it's now for the CDs. And there we go. The CDs were almost the same, but for a few that had to go in here. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. They're all out of the home office. And this is the best bit. When the floors are shiny and everything is clean and pretty well sorted out, not too many lurking dark corners. When the sofa has been given a good coat of, well, it's been cleaned and given a good coat of conditioner, when the rug is completely clean and this has also been given a good clean, and the pictures have been cleaned and everything's dusted and polished. It's so nice. And this is why I do it, because now I don't have to think about it for another month at least. I mean, it won't be as thorough next month. This was a very thorough one, but I also still had things that I had to be doing, like, you know, sorting out the DVDs and CDs. I've switched out the bed cover in here because I just think it looks better. Not sure. I'm going to do something with that bookcase. But generally it's okay, and more to the point, it is dust free and the windows are spotless, which is the nice thing. I really enjoy it when it's like this. And of course behind the blinds, which I have down to keep the heat out, the windows are also very clean and the screens are clean. Oh, and I did remember, though not while I was still filming, get up and clean the filters on the AC, so they have also been cleaned. But right now, before I come back and chat to you, I am going to go and get into a very nice cool shower because it's a warm day here. And that's Zone 4 done. I did need to do a deep clean this month. It just hadn't been dealt with for, you know, a while, so that was fine. I got it done and I'm pleased, you know, it's good. Another few things checked off. Next week, Zone 5, that's laundry, loo, bathroom and my car. So that's hopefully a fairly simple one. And then it's February. I can't believe it. We're going to be back into February 2018 already. I will be getting out 2 videos a week again. Did you hear me? I promised that, didn't I? Okay, that's me again. I'll do a short one and then the longer one on the Sunday. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can join in and follow along on the journey. Leave me a comment down below. I always answer them, and I love hearing where you're from and you know, what you're thinking about what I'm doing and if it's been useful for you. Yeah, so I'll be back next week, but until then, well, I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.